Hello and welcome. In this video, I'll be introducing you to the JavaScript logical operators. The JavaScript logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. So this is a basic table that shows you two logical operators. The first is called the and is represented by the ampersand symbol. What that does, it checks if all the conditions are met, and it will return a Boolean result, either true or false. If all the conditions are met, it will return true. If not, it returns false. The next is the OR operator, which is represented by the pipe symbol. It checks if any condition has been met, and it will return a true Boolean result. So the key distinction between the and the or is that when you're using the and to check conditions, all the conditions has to evaluate to true. If they are not met, then it will return a false Boolean result. Boolean result basically means true or false. In the OR operator, you only have to satisfy one condition. It will return a true result. So let me quickly illustrate how the logical operators are used in the console. So I'm going to start by creating a couple of variables. I'll create variable x. I'll give it a value of 7. I'll create another variable, and I'm going to call this variable y, and I'll give it a value of 6. Now I can use the logical operators to check the condition. So I can say x is less than 10, if x is less than 10, and y is greater than 6. This will evaluate to be false because the first condition is true, x is less than 10, but the second condition is false because y is not greater than 6, so it will evaluate to be false. So if I use the OR operator with the same condition, it will return true because one part of the condition is true, so it will return everything as true. For example, the same illustration, if I come here and say x is less than 10 or y is greater than 6, this will evaluate to be true because the first part of the condition is true, x is less than 10. So that's basically how you use a logical operator in a nutshell. Once you understand this basic use of it, then